Hi, so Richard McClellan from ACT Power. We're based in Taiwan and we're a manufacturer. So we do OEM, ODM, lots in audio-visual, and we do everything from board design, component sourcing for a range of companies who either are system integrators or manufacturers themselves. And we can build the boards up, do the embedded software, do the full design service, or if you have your own designs, then we can just do that design to order service as well. Mainly with different operating systems, so we can use Windows, Linux, or Android, range of different boards depending on specifications. So it really is a full end-to-end service that can be provided. So for more information, visit actpower.com.tw.